Stop what you are doing. The future of technology is here. The artificial intelligence gadgets launching in 2025 are on another level. Some can read your emotions, some can fly beside you, some can respond to your thoughts. These gadgets are real. These gadgets will change your life. Let us jump in right now and explore the most incredible devices of the year. 1. The Pocket Hologram Assistant. Imagine holding a small square device in your hand. You tap the button. A bright hologram appears in the air. It has a human shape. It looks alive. It talks to you like a real person. This hologram can teach you any subject. It can translate your voice instantly. It can create 3D shapes that you can walk around. Designers can build models in the air. Students can learn in a new dimension. People who tried early test units say the hologram assistant feels like a personal teacher and a personal guide. It can replace a laptop for many daily tasks. It even works outdoors in sunlight. This is the start of personal holograms for everyone. 2. Artificial intelligence glasses that aim to replace your phone. These advanced glasses are lightweight and clear. They look normal, but inside them is a powerful artificial intelligence processor. You see your messages in front of your eyes. You see map directions floating in your view. You see information about buildings, people, and objects. The glasses track your eye movements. You can open applications with a single glance. You can reply to messages by looking at a small icon. Fitness mode shows your heart rate and distance while you run. Learning mode can translate signs, menus, and conversations instantly. These glasses represent the future of communication. Many experts believe that the smartphone will slowly disappear. This year is the beginning. 3. The smart desk robot with a human personality. This robot is small. It has smooth movements. It looks friendly. It talks with a gentle, natural voice. It can organize your tasks. It can help you focus. It can motivate you. It can check your schedule and remind you of important events. The robot can understand your mood. If you look tired, it suggests a break. If you sound stressed, it offers breathing exercises. It learns your work style. People say it feels like a companion. It is not just a robot that answers questions. It is a robot that understands your daily life. For artificial intelligence clothing that connects to your body. Clothing is becoming intelligent. Shirts and jackets now have small sensors and artificial intelligence chips inside the fabric. These sensors read your heart rate. They read your temperature. They read your stress levels. If you feel anxious, the clothing vibrates in a slow pattern to calm your breathing. If you feel hot, the clothing cools itself. If you feel cold, it gently warms the fabric. This clothing can also track your sleep, your workouts, and your emotional health. It is fashion that protects your body and mind. This is a giant step in wearable technology. 5. The drone companion that follows you everywhere. This is one of the most exciting gadgets of 2025. It is a small drone that feels like a flying partner. You start walking, the drone rises into the air. It follows you smoothly. It keeps the perfect angle for video recording. It uses advanced computer vision. It sees obstacles before they appear. It changes its path to avoid them. It records film quality video. You can tell the drone to rise, fall, turn, or zoom in. It listens to your voice. It follows your gestures. Some versions can even edit your video as you move. This drone turns your daily life into a personal movie. 6. The smart ring with hidden artificial intelligence. Power. This ring may look simple, but it is very advanced. It listens to your voice and records important notes. It controls your smart home devices. It checks your heart rate and sleep patterns. It also acts as a private digital assistant. You speak softly to the ring. It hears only you. No one else can activate it. It gives answers quietly through a tiny vibration or through your connected device. This gadget is perfect for people who want privacy. It is small, fast, and extremely helpful. 7. The thought-to-text band. This device reads weak signals from your brain. These signals are small electrical patterns. The band learns your patterns and understands simple thoughts. You can think about opening an application. The device opens it. You can think about scrolling. The device scrolls. You can think about typing a short message. The device writes it. This technology is early but very powerful. It can help people with disabilities. It can help people work faster. It shows the future of mind-controlled devices. This is only the beginning. 8. Bonus gadget. The smart home that knows your routine in 2025. Homes are becoming intelligent too. Your lights turn on when you wake up. Your coffee machine prepares your drink at the perfect time. Your home can sense the weather and adjust the temperature. The system learns your habits. It saves energy. It protects your house with smart cameras. It locks the doors automatically when you leave. All of this is powered by artificial intelligence. Your home becomes a partner that takes care of your daily life. Tell me in the comments which gadget surprised you the most today. Which one would you buy first? I want to hear from you. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More future technology videos are coming. Get ready. The future is faster than you think.